VPN, Virtual Private Network. This video looked at what that means for the beginner. This is Toby. He wants to buy a bike. At home on his computer, he launches a web browser to search for bikes. In real-world terms, this is like stepping outside and announcing to the world that you are searching for a bike. If someone is paying attention, they can hear. Now Toby wants to check his bank online. This is more treacherous than searching for a bike. Out in the world, you're telling anyone listening that you're counting your money. Now Toby has gained wisdom. He launches VPN software to protect his online activity. This would be like stepping outside and yelling, "Nothing." The hacker has no idea. I still don't understand what VPN is. Let's take another look. Toby is searching online for a bike. At home on his laptop using Wi-Fi, Toby types bike in a search engine within his web browser. Signified by the pulsing red circle, we can follow the search query's journey from Toby's laptop to its destination, from his Wi-Fi router, out of his house, through cables to his ISP, Internet Service Provider. Then from there, out to the Internet, to the search engine's servers. The search engine's servers return the results as a list of bike sites. Looking at the path from Toby's computer to the search engine servers, there are a number of vulnerable points of attack by a hacker, depending on his or her abilities and physical location. The hacker intercepts Toby's search for bikes. Not overly a big security risk, but perhaps a privacy concern. The online banking activity is intercepted by the hacker. The details used in the session are captured. If the hacker is a pro, they might capture your account name, bank, account number, and password. Now let's look at how a VPN can add a degree of protection. By first launching the VPN software before logging onto his internet banking account, Toby has effectively created a protective tunnel. A secure link is established through the ISP to the VPN server before any web browsing activity begins. When Toby then goes to his web browser, the ISP doesn't even know that he's doing internet banking. The online activity then reaches the internet in an anonymous form, not traceable back to Toby. Now, the hacker cannot see inside the tunnel and capture any information. Added benefits of using a VPN service. When you use a computer, smartphone, or tablet, you're assigned a unique address, like a postal code. This is called an IP address, represented by numbers separated by dots. You have one assigned on your local network, and your ISP assigns one to identify you externally to the world. A VPN service will mask your address by assigning its own, which doesn't trace back to you. This therefore affords you a degree of anonymity. The VPN tunnels will also protect your internet activity from the eyes of organizations who might want to intercept and spy on you. Thanks for watching.